Before I start this rant, to anyone who likes this anime, I can handle your opinion. Anyways, enjoy. Toilet Flash Precure? What? No, more like Sparkling Star Precure. Oh my god, this show sucks. This show has ruined the original, the Precure seasons, which was way better than this. This show involves 4 cures going on awful adventures. Cure Potty is dumb. Her colors has been stolen from Cure Summer from Tropical Route Pretty Cure. Cure War is dumb. Her head stolen from Cure Coral from Tropical Rouge Pretty Cure. Cure Heat is dumb. She looks like she's a ripoff of Cure Wing from Hero Garu Sky Precure. And Cure Inflation is a huge crybaby. And Mi-chan? Well, nobody gives a crap about him. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not even infinity. The animation is dumb. The characters are annoying. The theme song is a pile of beep, and the whole show and the whole anime is bad. I hope this anime gets cancelled. Do you know who likes this show? My Evil Clone and all characters from Pink Fong, from Sexy Girl Precure. They wish they can join the cast, but they can't. And do you know who hate this show? Me and Starshine Stacy. We hate that show so much with a burning passion. So screw screw Toilet Flush Precure, and screw Sexy Girl Precure, Lonely Precure, and all of the Gacha Heat shows. All of the Precure seasons is 1,000,000 times better than Toilet Flush Precure. End of rant.